Sides AB and AC in triangle ABC are 9 and 16 respectively. Angle ABC is equal to 2 alpha and angle ACB is equal to alpha. Then what is the side BC? Redrawn the triangle and we have shown the sides. AC is equal to 16, AB is equal to 9, this angle is alpha, this angle is 2 alpha, and if we call the third side BC as A, then the two angles, that is ABC is 2 alpha, ACB is equal to alpha. Therefore, the third angle, that is angle BAC, is equal to pi minus 3 alpha. This angle has to be pi minus 3 alpha. That's because the sum of the three angles of any triangle is equal to pi. If you remember the rule of sines, which is applicable for any triangles, we get sine of any angle divided by the opposite side is the same for all the three angles. So we can write sine A divided by the opposite side BC is equal to sine B divided by the opposite side AC, and that is equal to sine C divided by the opposite side AB. Putting in the values that we know already, sine pi minus 3 alpha divided by A is equal to sine 2 alpha divided by 16 is equal to sine alpha divided by 9. Or since sine pi minus 3 alpha is equal to sine 3 alpha, we get sine 3 alpha divided by A is equal to sine 2 alpha divided by 16, and that is equal to sine alpha divided by 9. Now, sine 3 alpha is equal to 3 sine alpha minus 4 sine cubed alpha. Therefore, we can write 3 sine alpha minus 4 sine cubed alpha divided by A is equal to sine 2 alpha by 16. Sine 2 alpha is 2 sine alpha multiplied by cos alpha. So we get this whole thing is equal to 2 sine alpha multiplied by cos alpha divided by 16, and that is equal to sine alpha divided by 9. On the left hand side, taking sine alpha common, we get sine alpha multiplied by 3 minus 4 sine square alpha divided by A. In this problem, alpha cannot be 0 because then the triangle collapses to a single line. Therefore, sine alpha is not 0. So we can cancel sine alpha from all the three terms in the above equations to get 3 minus 4 sine square alpha divided by alpha is equal to 2 cos alpha divided by 16 is equal to 1 by 9. We can write this in the form of two separate equations, the first being 3 minus 4 sine square alpha is equal to 1 by 9. Let us call it equation 1. And the other one is 2 cos alpha divided by 16 is equal to 1 by 9. And let us please like, subscribe, share and hit the bell so you can be immediately notified for new uploads. It is completely free and only takes a few seconds. and you can always unsubscribe later. Also, if you know about any interesting problem that you'd like me to solve, please upload it in your comments. Without further ado, let's proceed with the equation, that is 2 cos alpha divided by 16 is equal to 1 by 9. We get cos alpha is equal to 8 by 9. Or sin square alpha, which is equal to 1 minus cos square alpha, becomes 1 minus 64 divided by 81, and that is 17 by 81. So sin square alpha is equal to 17 by 81. From the first equation, that is 3 minus 4 sin square alpha divided by a is equal to 1 by 9, we get by cross multiplication a is equal to 27 minus 36 sin square alpha. Or putting in the value of sin square alpha we have got here, we get a is equal to 27 minus 36 multiplied by 17 by 81, which is equal to 27 minus 4 into 17 by 9, and that is equal to 243 minus 68 divided by 9, or 175 divided by 9. Since side BC is equal to A, we get side BC is equal to 175 by 9, that is equal to